Today I'm going to show you how to use Glassdoor's search filters and save jobs so you can search through jobs that you can actually apply for instead of wasting your time. Without further ado, let's see exactly how to do this. So if you are looking for a job, you might want to narrow this down so that you're searching through jobs and not looking at jobs that don't actually apply to you or have no resonance with your profile. So go ahead from your homepage, your job feed, click on jobs. You'll see a bunch of jobs over here. This is just matched to like your qualifications, your profile basically. So what you want to do is go in here and we want to look for a chef job, and we're looking for a chef job in Cape Town. Let's go and hit enter. Here you will see all of the chef jobs in Cape Town, right? Hit this little icon over here. Here are a bunch of filters. So you've got the easy apply, which means you're going to click on apply, and this will take all of your profile details like your preferences, your salary range, your title, all of your skills, your languages, your education, previous work experience, all of that. It'll throw it into a made up resume or CV, and then you can easily apply to tons of jobs very quickly. You can also change your salary range over here, your company rating. So let's say like 3 stars and up. We want to change our salary rating, salary range slightly here. The date posted. This is always very important. I'm going to just say last 3 days. Job type. Change that. The distance within. Okay. Different cities within the area that you chose, different industries, job functions, seniority levels, company sizes. Click on apply filters. You may have gone now from 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 jobs, and you might now really just be seeing a few jobs. And now you can actually apply to jobs that actually have resonance with you, your capabilities, your skill set, and your profile. You can see here there are 4 jobs here. So if we just go in here and let's just clear our filters. So we can just say close this one, close this one, close this one. So from 114 jobs to 4 jobs, that's great. Now, instead of looking for those 4 jobs within the 114 job list, you can just apply to those 4 jobs because those are the jobs that are applicable more to what you can do, what you're capable of doing, and then you have a higher chance of getting a job because you're spending less time looking through long feeds of jobs that don't actually match your preferences.